Hello, are you looking for an easy alternative to bundle your products? If so, here at Plus Packaging, we do a product called Handy Wrap. It's available both clear and in black, and as I'll demonstrate now, it's very easy to use. So all we need to do is just grab our products, bring a little bit out, and then simply wrap around to the very end, snap off, and pass down to your production line. Available in two sizes. One is 150 meters on a roll and the other is 300 meters on a roll, and various thicknesses are also available, coming from 17 micron all the way up to 20. And always remember that bundling is easier with hand. Bundling is easier with Handy Wrap. Bundling is easier with Handy Wrap.